Who would have thought that a simple green stalk could pack such a punch when it comes to your health? Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about celery juice and all the amazing benefits that come with drinking it every day. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we discuss topics related to health and healthy lifestyle. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. According to health experts, celery juice is loaded with vitamins and minerals that can improve your health in a number of ways. For starters, celery is a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for boosting your immune system. And if that wasn't enough, celery also contains a host of antioxidants that can help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. But wait, there's more. Celery juice is also said to be a natural diuretic, which means it can help flush out toxins and reduce bloating. It's even been shown to lower blood pressure, thanks to the high levels of potassium found in celery. So, how exactly should you go about incorporating celery juice into your daily routine? The best way is to simply juice a few stalks of celery and drink the juice on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. You can also add a touch of lemon or ginger for flavor if you'd like. Now, you may be thinking, but celery juice sounds a bit bland. Well, we've got good news for you there too. Celery juice actually has a very fresh, light taste, making it a perfect way to start your day. And if you're worried about the time and effort involved in juicing celery every day, don't be. With the right juicer, you can have a glass of celery juice ready in just a few minutes. So, what are you waiting for? Add celery juice to your daily routine and see for yourself all the amazing benefits that come with this simple green stalk. Who knew that something so small could have such a big impact on your health? Thanks for watching. We upload new videos every week about health and healthy lifestyle. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications when I post new videos.